This is Xiaomi 13 and today I would like to demonstrate that you can find and use the camera pro mode on this device. So to start, let's launch the default camera app itself. Then among the start options that you have, or start modes that you have over here, scroll it to the right until you'll enter the pro mode. While in it, you can manually change such camera parameters as white balance, focus distance, and set the manual focus, the shutter speed, the ISO value, the exposure value, and switch the length from white to tele to ultrawide. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.